Hello guys, welcome to LeetCode, and in today's video we will discuss the LeetCode question 1721 that says swapping node in a linked list. So guys, this question is of easy medium level, and here we will discuss how to solve this question in a one pass, right? With a single loop we will try to solve this question. So yeah, stick till the end and watch the complete video. So here you will be given the head of the linked list, to the head pointer, as well as one integer value k. Now we have to return the head of the linked list after swapping the values of the kth node from the beginning as well as the kth node from the end. So we have to choose the kth node from the beginning, kth node from the end, and we have to swap the values of both these nodes, and we need to return the linked list. Got it? So for an example, let's say here this is the given linked list and the head is the k element is 2, right? K is 2 here. So what is the kth element from the beginning? This is the kth element from the beginning, and the kth element from the end is 2. So we just swap the values of these two elements. So yeah, 4 comes here and 2 comes here, and this is our answer. We return the head of this linked list after swapping. Now if you take a look at the second example, so let me write down the number, let's say 1 2 3 4 5. So guys, I have given here the numbering. Now if you check, the fifth letter from the beginning is 7. This is the fifth letter from the beginning, and the fifth letter from the end is nothing but 8. So yeah, we swap this 7 and 8, we swap them, so it becomes 8 and 7, and yeah, that's our answer. So guys, the question understanding part is very much simple here. We need to find the kth element from the beginning as well as the kth element from the end. We need to swap the values of both these elements. Now the only complexity here in this question is how we can find the kth element from the front or the beginning, or how we can find the kth element from the back. So for an example, if you want to find the kth element from the front, so what you can do is you can keep a counter for k. For an example, if k is 4 and if you want to find the fourth element from the beginning, so what you can do is, so you can initialize one pointer here. So at this point k is equals to 4, then you traverse to the next and decrement the k. K is 3, then traverse here, k is 2, and traverse here, k equals to 1. So whenever you reach a point where k equals to 1, then that node is nothing but the kth node from beginning. This is nothing but kth node from beginning or front. Okay, so guys, you can keep one pointer for the head node and also one variable, and you decrement the variable. So whenever the variable values equals to 1, then that node is nothing but the kth node from beginning. So guys, clear this? Now if you want to find the kth node from back, how you will do that? So guys, I will show you that. Let's say one pointer is here, one pointer is here, p1, and the fourth node, or the so here k is 4, so the fourth node from the end is nothing but this. Let's say this is p2. Now if you find the distance between p1 and p2 is nothing but what? It's nothing but k, the distance from with p1 and p2. So what we will do is, we will take two pointers, let's say pointer 1 and pointer 2. So let me name this as p1 and p2, and we will start moving p2 after k moves of p1. So let's say here p1 comes here, p1 comes here, p1 comes here. Now when p1 comes here, we will start moving this p2. Then at this point p2 comes here. Okay, now p1 comes here, then p2 comes here. Okay, now p1 points to null, p1 points to null, so we would stop. So that means we just started moving this pointer to after k movements of pointer 1. After k movements of pointer 1, we started moving pointer 2. That's because the distance between p2 and p1 must be k, right? Must be k. So yeah, we started moving pointer 2 after k movements of pointer 1, and this is how we can get the kth element from the back. So guys, combining these to get k element from the beginning and to get k element from the back, we would write only single while loop. So here, moving on to the coding part, I took three variables, pointer 1, pointer 2, and pointer 3. So this pointer 1 and 2 will point to the kth element from the beginning, and pointer 2 will point kth element from the end. So again, let me take one dry run. 0 1 2 3 4, let's say 5. Okay, and let's assume the k is 2. So if you see, this is the second element from the beginning and this is the second element from the end. And let me take the pointer. So ptr 1 2 3 both are pointing, all three are pointing towards the head at the current at the starting, right? Now I took one variable temp where temp equals to k. Now if temp is less than equal to 0, no, then don't move ptr1. If temp is greater than 1, yeah, temp is greater than 1, temp is currently 2, temp is currently 2 here as the value of k is 2. If temp is greater than 1, now then move ptr to the next. So here let's assume here ptr2 is moved, also move so after that also move ptr3 to next and decrement the temp here, this 3. So as you guys can see that now ptr2 that is current is pointing to the kth node from the beginning, and that is correct, right? ptr2 is at correct position. Okay, now when the for loops will again come, we will check if temp is less than equal to 0. No, because see currently at this point temp was equal to 1. After decrementing, temp value was 1. We will check if temp is greater than 1. No. So now don't move this pointer 2. We won't move it, as also it is at the correct position, we won't move it. So simply move the pointer 3 to here, and now temp becomes 0. Now in the next iteration, is temp is less than equal to 0? Yes, temp is less than equal to 0. So start moving ptr1. So thus ptr1 will move to here, and this will make ptr3 to point the next, and temp would be also -1, right? Now again in the next iteration we will check is temp less than equal to 0, then move ptr1, then increment the pointer 3 and decrement the temp to -2. Again check whether temp is less than equal to 0 or not. Yeah, so move pointer 1 to here, pointer 3 comes here, and temp decrements to -3. Okay, at this point also now the for loop again begins, and we will check whether temp is less than equal to 0. Yeah, so move pointer 1 to here, and pointer 3 will point to nothing but null. So this is pointer 3. Now when the for while loop will come and check this condition whether pointer 3 is available or not, it would fail. Here it would fail because pointer 3 was pointing to null pointer. So this while loop condition will fail, and we would move on to this line, that is swapping of pointer 1 value and pointer 2 value. So guys, where is pointer 1? Pointer 1 is nothing but this element, the second element from the end. And where is pointer 2? It is nothing but pointing to this element, the second element from the front. So we swap pointer 1 and pointer 2's value, right, and return the head. This is what we want. So our final answer would be nothing but 0 4 2 3 1 5. This is our final linked list where we swap the second element from the first and second element from the end, right? Got it? So I hope you guys are now clear that how this pointer are working. So yeah, this is how, by this way we would manage both the things, that is start finding the key element from the front and finding the key element from the back. Now talking about the time and space complexity, the time complexity here is nothing but we go of n, as we are traversing only one time towards the complete linked list, and the space complexity is nothing but we go of 1, as we are not storing anything. These are simply variables. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. If you guys have any doubts, then do let me know in the comment section. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.